What's up guys, Shelby and Crystal coming at you from Jonesn4CrossFit. What we're gonna be doing today is actually going over one of my favorite movements, the deadlift. AKA I pick things up, I put them down. How you set up for the movement is how you go through the movement. So we've talked about bracing before when it comes to like squat, press, and all that stuff. How you set up is really important. So approaching the bar, really thinking about getting your quads as tight as you can, squeezing your glutes, cinching down your core, and then pulling your shoulder blades down and back, locking everything down tight. And then from there, leaning back with the hips, keep your weight on the whole foot, and then grabbing the barbell. It's okay if your knees come a little bit forward, and then pushing the ground away. Good, and then back down. So the bar path is important too. What I see a lot of people do, you want to keep your knees in front, have the bar go around. Kind of like get into a squat position and then have the barbell go around their knees. That is going to put a little extra stress on your back actually. So making sure your knees get out of the way first. On the setup, there's a couple different schools of thought on like where your hips need to be. This is really going to be based on the individual. So Chrissy can actually set up pretty low with her hips, but it's more advantageous to have the hips up high. Just use it as a hip hinge. If you have really long femurs, your hips will probably be up a little bit higher. What's up guys? Thanks for watching Technique Tuesday. If you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button below.